So today in this video we'll tell you how to create your first campaign in Bing Ads if you want to promote your affiliate offers or CP offer or any other product. We'll tell you everything in a complete detail. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so to create your first campaign in Bing Ad, the first step that you need to follow is you have to create a Bing Ad account. If you want to know what is the procedure to create a Bing Ad account, what are the steps that you need to follow, then in the coming days a video will come on this topic. You can watch that video. So once you have created your Bing Ad account, the next step is that you have to log in into your Bing Ad account. Let me just log in into my account. So I've logged in into my Bing Ad account. Same way you have to also log in, and once you have logged in, you will be able to see this type of interface. So you need to understand what is the basic structure that is followed while creating a campaign in Bing Ads. So each time you create a campaign in Bing Ads, it has basically these three things. One is campaign, the other one is ad group, and the third one is ad. You can also say that this is the campaign level of the campaign, this is the ad group level of the campaign, and this is the ad level of the campaign. So while you creating a campaign on Bing Ads, is basically at the top there is campaign, and each campaign has ad groups. Like you can see here is 2 ad groups, and each ad group has ads in them. One thing you need to notice is that each campaign can have any number of ad groups in it, and each ad group can have any number of ads in it. So this is a basic structure that is followed while creating a campaign in Bing Ad. You also have to follow this type of structure. First, in the campaign level, you have to select the basic objective of the campaign, that why you are creating this campaign, what you want from this campaign. And in the ad group level, you have to like place the budget, the bid, the location, everything you have to place, and keywords also. And in the ad level, you have to create the ads like the title, the headline, the descriptions of the ad, which people will see and will click on it. Now once you have understood all these things, now you have to come back to your Bing Ad account, and to create a campaign you will see here a create campaign blue color button. You have to click on it, and after that it's asking what's the goal of this campaign. Like you are creating campaign in Bing Ad, what you want from this campaign, that this campaign should do what for you, what's the major objective of this campaign, what's the major goal of this campaign. So if you have a website or a landing page, or you want people to come on your affiliate offer or CP offer, then in that case you basically want visitors on your website or landing page, then in that case you need to choose visits to my website objective. And if you have any offline business and you want people to watch your ad and then go to your offline store, then you can choose here visits to my business location. If you want more conversions, more leads, more calls, then you can choose here conversions in my website. If you want more calls for your business, then you can choose here phone calls to my business. If you have an app, you want to promote that a mobile app and you want people to download that app as much as possible, then in that case app install objective is the objective that you should go for. If you have an e-com store, or if you have an e-com store or a Shopify store and you have various type of products, you want to upload the catalog of products on Bing Ads, then in that case use this objective, sell products from your catalog. So according to your goal, according to the thing that you want from your campaign, you should choose the objective here. Like we want people to come on our landing page or on our website, then you have to choose visits to my website. So let me choose this. So once you have chosen the objective of the campaign, the next thing that you have to do is you have to give name to your campaign. So let's say for example we are going to promote this website opinionworld.in. It is a survey website. It's a very famous website. So let's say we want to promote this website, we want to run ads for this website. So we will give here name Opinion World Test. And after that you have to give the budget for your campaign, the daily budget that you want to spend on your campaign. So we want to spend like 1000 INR per day. Let's put that. And now you have to choose the location, like in what location, what country, what geo you want your website, your landing page to promote. Like basically this means that from which country, from which geo you want people to land on your website or on your affiliate offer or CP offers. Like there are many CP offers which only accept traffic from a certain geo. So that's the best thing that you can choose in paid ads. You can choose here from which specific country you want traffic from. So we want traffic from United States. So let's just write here United States. So you have to click on target. So you can see here we have targeted United States. Our ad will be shown in United States and we will be getting traffic from US. Now you have to choose who should see your ad, and basically you will see here two options. Both are selected by default. You have to untick the second one because this basically means like if I am from India and if I put the location of US in my Bing account settings, and I will be able to see ads from US also. So this is the thing that we don't want, that people from India or any other country should see our ads, because we want only people from US to see our ads and click on our ads, because we don't want to waste money so that people of other geos and countries clicking on our ad. So in that case you need to untick this option. Most of the people forget, or they and they don't know about this, they remain in ticked also. So the next thing that you have to choose here, the language. So our website, you can see here, is in English. So basically you have to choose here English, and after that you have to click on save and go to the next step. Now here comes the ad group part of the campaign. Like we have talked here about ad group level, so this is the ad group level of the campaign. So the first thing that you need to put here, the website. So our website is this. Let's just copy this URL and put here, and now you have to give the ad group name. So let's just give paid survey, because our website is a survey website. So you have to give the relevant name, so that like after 1 week, 1 month or 2 months, even if you open your campaign and open your ad group, you know what this campaign was all about and what this ad group is all about. So now you have to add the keywords in your campaign. So keyword is basically when someone will search something on Google or let's say Bing, then your ad should pop up for that specific term or that specific keyword you want to trigger. So you have to choose here the keywords, like we want our website, this is a survey website, to pop up for make money online, because people can fill the surveys and they can earn money through them. So for that you just have to click on 39 keywords plus, and you have to choose all keywords. Then you have to choose paid survey and add. So you are able to see that now all the keywords are added. So you have to add as many keywords as possible, and keyword that you think are relevant to your website or to your landing page. You have to only add those keywords which are closely related to your website. You have to delete all those keywords that are not even related to your website, not even close to your website. So like you can see here, here's the keyword make money online jobs. So this is not a job website, this is a survey website. So you have to delete this keyword. So you manually have to do this thing. You don't have to use any tool for it. You can manually do this task. You have to add as many keywords as possible, and once you have added all those keywords, you can remove this also, make money online India, make money online UK surveys, Gmail, email. So you have to manually check all those and you have to delete them. And once you have done that, you have to click on save and go to the next step. Now here comes the third and the last part of the campaign, that we have to create the ad for this campaign. Like here we have talked about creating ads. This is the ad level of the campaign. So to create the ad, you have to just click on create ad button, and now you have to choose from this drop down menu expanded text ad. And the next thing that you have to add here is the URL. The URL, the link, the landing page, the website that you want to promote, you have to copy that URL and you have to simply paste here. Like for example, we want to promote this website. I want to tell you that this is not my website. This is the website, dummy website that we are using for this video. So let's just copy this URL and paste it here. And the next thing that you have to do is you have to write here the title part. So this is a survey website. So let's write here make extra money online. A lot of time many people get confused that what they should write in title part 1, 2, 3 and in description, that so that many people click on their ad and they get a good CTR. So if you have doubts regarding this, then you have to simply do this. You have to come on bing.com, not Bing ad account. You have to open bing.com, and once you have opened it, you have to simply search here the terms that is related to your website or your landing page. Like our website is a paid survey, let's search it, and you will be able to see here the headlines. So this is the headline, this is the headline, this is the description. So you can take suggestions from here, and so you can also see these are the ads that people are running. You can see here ad it is written. So let's just say we want to use this term, or we want to use this part. Let's just copy it and let's just paste it. Okay, and in the title part 3 we can write here 2021. Okay, so this is a thing that you can do if you want to take suggestions like what you should write in your ad copy of your campaign. After writing the title part, the next thing that you have to do, you have to write the description of your ad. So let's say we want to write make extra money online by filling surveys. More than 5 million people have joined us. Okay, so like this you have to write here the description of for your ad, and if you want suggestions, like I told earlier, you can take suggestions from here by writing the keywords that are closely related to your website or landing page. And you can see here the preview of your ad. It's written make extra money online, earn up to $90 per day 2021. Make extra money online by filling a survey. More than 5 million people have already joined us. You have to create ads like this. And I also want to tell you that you don't have to just create one ad for your campaign. You have to create at least 2 to 4 ads for your campaign, so you can know in future like which is your winning ad and which is your losing ad, which ad is giving you highest CTR and which one is giving you lowest CTR and conversion rate. So for this you have to create at least 2 to 4 ads per campaign. And once you have done that, you simply have to click on this save button, and now you can see here our ad is completely created. And now you have to click on save and go to the next step. And now you can see here showing the daily budget that we have put for this campaign. It's 1000 INR. And the next thing that you have to choose here the bid strategy, like which bid strategy you want to choose for your campaign. And you have to click on this drop down menu and you will be able to see here the options. There are automated bidding also, and there is manual bidding also. So if you want to promote affiliate offers, CPC offer, then I would strongly suggest you that you should go for manual CPC, because it gives you more control over your campaigns. So let's choose this. And now you have to place bid for your campaign. So what is bid? Bid is the maximum amount you are willing to spend, willing to pay for per clicks. Like if someone sees your ad and they click on your ad, so what is the maximum amount you want to pay for that specific click is the bid. So let's say if someone clicks on ad, the maximum amount that I want to pay is 2 rupees. Okay, so let's place bid 2. And now you have to click on campaign targets. You can see here the country we have targeted US, and you can see here the device we have targeted all 3 devices like desktop, tablet and smartphone. And now you have to click on advanced campaign settings, and you can see here the schedule, the time you want to if you want to run ads on a specific time, like you want to run ads from 5 PM to 5 AM in the morning, then you can set all those things here, but we don't want to go into that. The next thing you will be able to see here other settings and ad distribution button. You have to click here and you will able to see here 3 options. By default all search network is selected. So this basically means that Bing will be showing our ad on bing.com also, and also the website that are partner websites of Bing like Yahoo or Yahoo Mail or any other website. Our ad will be showing on those platforms also, but we don't want to show on them. We just want our ad on bing.com. So for that you have to choose this option which says Bing, AOL and Yahoo search owned and operated. You don't have to go after syndicated search partners. You have to choose owned and operated only. And once you have done that, you have to click on save button. So once you have done all that, our campaign is now created and it's completely up and running. And if you want to know if your campaign is running or not, and you can see here in the delivery status is showing eligible, it means your campaign, your ad is completely approved by Bing and it's now good to go. So these are all the steps that you need to follow while creating your first campaign on Bing ads. So I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.